So here we divide 129 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 0. So now we bring down the number beside, that is 9, and we remove this 0. So 2 times 4 means 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0. So now it became 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting it becomes 0. So 129 divided by 2, we got 64.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.